Most people don't have a motivation problem. They have a nervous system problem. And once you fix that, everything else gets easier. Get sunlight within 30 minutes of waking to reset your cortisol and dopamine for the day. Try a 24-hour dopamine reset to stop the scrolling addiction and regain your natural drive. Work in 90-minute ultradian cycles. Aligning with your brain's rhythm eliminates fog and burnout. Use the physiological sigh, a double inhale followed by a long exhale to instantly calm your nerves. Short bursts of cold exposure boost your baseline dopamine for hours, lifting energy and mood. When you eat matters more than what you eat. Stop eating 3 hours before bed for better sleep. Implement a 30-minute evening shutdown ritual. No screens, just calm light to protect your melatonin. Biohacking isn't about doing more. It's about removing what's silently draining you. If this helped you, subscribe. I post science-backed tools that improve your life without the nonsense.